Okay, Abdullah, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm also fine. Now I will ask some structure of tenses. I will I will say the name of tense and you will say the structure. Okay. Okay. Present indefinite tense.
Subject plus verb 1 plus extension.
Past indefinite.
Subject plus verb 2 plus extension.
Future indefinite.
Subject plus shall, will plus verb 1 plus extension.
Good. Present continuous tense.
Subject plus am, is, are plus verb plus ing plus extension.
Past continuous.
Subject plus was, were plus verb plus ing plus extension.
Future continuous.
Subject plus shall be, will be plus verb plus ing plus extension.
Fine. Present perfect tense.
Subject plus have, has plus verb 3 plus extension.
Past perfect.
Past perfect. Subject plus had plus verb 3 plus extension.
Future perfect.
Subject plus shall have, will have plus verb 3 plus extension.
Fine, thank you. It is really, you are really good. You really makes a brilliant performance now. Okay?
Okay.
Because there's no fault or wrong. Okay? Every structure is correct. Okay, thank you very much.